See Arnott Adjustable Air Suspension for motorcycles in action at Sky Powersports Indian Motorcycles of Seminole County, located on West 1st Street in Sanford, Florida. The Sky team are powersports enthusiasts, offering an outstanding selection of Indian, Ducati, Royal Enfield, Ural and Polaris motorcycles, service, parts, and accessories. Visit the Arnott display to try out Arnott's Ultimate Ride Series kit, available for Indian Touring, Cruiser, and Scout models. Arnott's patented TruAIR Technology combines a Fox Street Performance damper with a Goodyear multi-ply air spring designed to use the bike's full suspension travel, so you can fully lower your ride for parking or quickly adjust the air spring's firmness for exceptional comfort over any road carrying any load. Elevate your ride with Arnott Adjustable Air Suspension installed on your Indian motorcycle at Sky Powersports in Sanford, Florida.